So I'm assuming that there's got to be some crocodiles in here. If I don't see any, then I don't see any. There might be some, or what type of a fish or kind of like under this lake is hidden, so I'm not quite sure. So we're gonna walk down a little bit there and come back, see, maybe we can see something and take an action and videotape it. But I just came to my realization on the way I was walking. So that's where I parked. I got all the doors locked. Now, if I see any fingers hanging or a foot or something, then I know there's crocodiles in here. I'm going to be very careful, so I'm not going to stick my nose in it. Although, I came to this couple of black grasshoppers. Now, I was walking up this way. This is amazing. I'm going to try to zoom in. I don't know if you're going to see it, but look at the size of this thing. And there, that's right there. Look at the size. That's probably a finger of my size right there. That's how big it is. I'm going to get close up as possible. I don't want this thing to jump on me and stick on my face. But this is huge. She's ready to jump. See that? I'm going to zoom in. There. Look at the size of that thing. It's interesting. It's black and it's got gold stripes on their shoulders. So I'm going to try to come as close as possible. This is amazing. This thing is huge. I wonder if I can catch him. I have not seen anything this large. I hope there's no crocodile crawling from behind me right now and get a nice big bite out of my butt. Guys, what do you make out of this, huh? Look at those crickets. Alright, just look at my bag. There's no crocodiles, no diamondback snake, poisonous snake coming to me right at this moment. Only if I can catch this thing and keep it as a pet in the truck. Not a bad idea, right? Well, there might be more. Well, here's a little more closer shot. She's ready to jump, but she's not jumping. That is interesting, huh? Can't believe the size of this thing. Alright, we'll leave him alone. And let's take a look down here. If we're gonna find something or not. Alright, I hope there's no... Whoa, I just saw something. What is this? Snakefish. Okay, that's two. Unusual. Now, this is a private property oxygen gas pipeline. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna hope that there ain't gonna be any. Okay, here's another one. Oh wow, look at this fish. Look at the mouth. Look at the mouth on this thing. And it's already rotted. It looks like somebody caught the fish and cut it up for bait. But already look at the nuggets in there. They're growing in the body already. It's gone. This thing is old, couple of weeks I guess. Pretty much. And here's something interesting. Right there. And there's more nuggets there. Look at it. Crawling. Alright. I just hope I won't be. Let's see what else is down here. This is beautiful. Wow. I think I'm going to come down here for a week, go some crocodile trapping or something. Let me pick my pants up just in case. Alright, so far I don't see any heads sticking out of here. But there should be some crocodiles here, alligators. At least the little ones. Now far back there, all this property is covered. Warning, ethylene pipeline. So there's a lot of pipelines here. It's all marked. Dude, I think there's going to be like a lot of heavy, big like mosquitoes here. If they ever stop biting me, I'm going to leave this place and go back. So I'm assuming there's nice fish in here, and I would just witness 2 of them. But we're not allowed to fish because it's private property. Now I'm going to go in there a little bit more, and then I'm going to do a little exercise. So I'm going to run all the way back and get some good circulation going. But this is an awesome place to run. I should have just get my sneakers and just run. Okay, now this is where you got to be a little careful. So we don't know what's up here, because on my right, as you can see, there's the lake. On my left, there's the lake. So, which means that if you got one crocodile coming up this way, one coming out of this way, and look at all those fishes there. Check it out. Look at them jump. Look at that. Looks like raining. And take a look at on the left side, right there. Right there. Look at that. Whoa, I told you. Told you guys. Gonna be some interesting, cute little animals. Very pretty. What's your name, boy? You're a cutie one. Oh, so you are eating fish. So that's what's going on here. You're in paradise. All that fish is for yourself. There you go. You got one. Interesting. Smells good. Wow, this is amazing. This is like a free tour guide. I'm doing it all to myself. Smells like it is a little bit humid. Alright, something just jumped in that water. Whatever it was, something just jumped in that water. There goes another one. Now those little cute birdies. So I guess when they're around, which means there's no crocodiles on this side. Now on this side, it may possibly be one, because back there it's quite bushy and flat land. I don't know if you can see it. And my suggestion is there's couple of rules I think I should respect in this place. One of them, if you see a snake, you get out of the way. You do not go in front of it. Do not challenge. 2, if you ever see an anaconda, which I don't think so, but maybe closest anaconda could be a python, be 10 feet. Stay out of the way. When also you walk under a tree, make sure you got nothing hanging and falls on your shoulders, and it gives you a nice headlock. That's rule number 3. Rule number 4, when you do see a crocodile, say, "Sir, be my guest, it's your path. I shall not block you." and you send them away. But I'm hoping to see one. When I do, I am going to take that shot. I'm going to videotape it. Okay guys, here's another one of these fish. And this is approximately, I would say, 2 feet. And this looks like, I don't know how it got here. I don't think anybody caught this fish, but maybe something dragged it all the way up here and got disturbed and left it and ran for his life. I mean, here's a fact. Look at the size of this water. Okay, this is a regular drinking water. Combine it with two of these is about a foot long, a little over a foot long. Amazing. Okay, I hear some noises back there. I mean, I don't like it. I came so deep in here, but no one knows where I am. But my curiosity still controls my mind. It says he needs to know what's out there. I mean, you can never know. You can come up this way. Next thing you know, you got a wild boar chasing you. All right, a lot of stuff is moving there. It's like a deep footstep sound. Now it looks like there were people here. And this is where it ends. Anything beyond this place, it says no trespassing. So what do we do? It's all up to us. Anything beyond here, you're on your own. That's what. Oh wow! I just saw something jump right there, and I see something over there, or right over there, right above the water. Is that a crocodile? This is where they say you're not allowed to go in. Because now you got a diamondback poisonous snake. May God be with you, because by the time I get back, I think I'll drop. What's over there? Alright, this is not like Michigan Lake. This is pretty wild, man. I'm gonna go deeper. Let me see if I can see a crocodile there somewhere. Maybe I can find the babies. Now look what I'm wearing. Basically, I'm not pretty much ready for any type of an attack. If an animal attacks me, I'm not pretty ready for it. I mean, look at these things. These things look like snakes. Now, what's over here on my left? I don't know. I mean, these things can be hidden. Next thing you know, they'll jump right on you. I'm not even looking up there. What's up there? Ha! That would be awesome if I got something crawling on me. Well, I don't see anything. Well, that's the bridge, and right under the bridge, maybe past beyond that, there definitely will be crocodiles. I'm going to take another few more steps in. I'm not doing this for videoing, I'm doing it for my pleasure. But in the meantime, I don't want you guys to laugh at me when something jumps up. Oh, right there. I just saw, I didn't know what it was. Something just moved in. Looks like it's coming my way. Something just slid right in. You know what? I'm going back. I don't know. I'll just wait until see what it's going to come up. Come out of that lake. I didn't even see what it was. But that thing was big. Whatever it was, it just glided itself into the lake. But I don't know what it was. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a little bit more up that way. Okay, here is pretty much, this is how far I'm going to go. And mosquitoes are starting to attack me. Black mosquitoes. I'm not gonna get jumped on it. Holy smoke. Look what I found. I found something. Wow. I can't believe this. Look at the size of this turtle. Why this turtle is dead? Wow. Why all these animals are dead here? I'm telling you, it's a wild place. Don't know what's coming up and bite you from the back. And look at that. That pile of grass. Look how it's floating. That is just moving along the tile, like as I was walking in. And as I was walking down that road into here, and look how it moves. Alright, this is cool. I like it, but I'm not too, I would say, adjusted in this environment. Here's another turtle. There's another turtle dead. So I guess what I saw back there was a turtle. So I didn't know there was a turtle back there. It just went into the lake. Okay, beyond this point, I will never be able to pet through. So I'm not equipped. I don't have my gear. I don't have my medical kit. In case anything happens, I can save myself. Alright. Whoa. If I see that at night, I would think like something is coming at me. I see something interesting over there, but I don't know what it is. Alright guys, I'm going to have to cut this out, and that's going to be for today. Just sharing this. Oh, that was slimy and slidey. Okay, so I'm just hoping that I do not get blocked by a couple of crocodiles there, because that's the way the only exit is. Anything on my left and my right is lakes. Anything on my back, I can't go any further. So the only thing I have to do is jump over them. Well, until then, can't work on the run. Or should I say, I ain't trucking anymore. Can't wood on the backwoods.